What's up, y'all? Welcome to another video, and in this video we are gonna do Laura's makeup, and we're gonna do this look right here.
So stay tuned if you want to see how to do this look.
Oh. And follow our TikTok, by the way. Follow us on TikTok, Empress from YouTube on TikTok, on Instagram. What's your TikTok?
I don't know.
Oh, what's a dub smash?
Dub smash that.kiddo.danielle. Okay, y'all can follow me. Yeah, it has to have those dots. Okay.
Don't forget the dots. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box, but don't forget also like, comment, subscribe. As long as you're here with us, we happy. I'm gonna do things how I do it always.
Start with the brows.
Yep, start with the brows.
Oh.
Camera sees.